In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an invisible username on Discord. It might seem a bit mysterious, but it's actually a straightforward process once you know the steps. First, let's head over to discord.com. This is where you'll begin your journey to a more incognito presence on the platform. Once you're there, you'll want to log in, so go ahead and click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password, just like you always do. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is crucial, so make sure you're entering them carefully and keeping an eye on who can see them. After you've successfully logged in, you should be greeted by the familiar interface of Discord with all your servers and chats. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your username along with your avatar, and right next to it, a small gear icon. This is the user settings menu. Click on that gear icon to enter your account settings. Once you're inside user settings, you'll want to focus on the My Account section. This is where you can modify and customize details related to your profile. Within My Account, you'll notice the option to edit your display name. Take a deep breath. You're almost there. Click on Edit next to your display name. It's time to make the magic happen. Once the editing interface is open, you'll see your current display name. What you need to do now is delete everything that's there, leaving the field blank. But here's the catch. Discord won't actually let you leave it entirely empty. So the key here is to simply type in a single dot. That's right, just one solitary period. This clever little trick allows your username to appear invisible on the platform. After typing the dot, confirm your changes, make sure to save, and voila. Your username will now show up as blank to other users. It's as simple as that. While you might notice a floating dot if you hover over your name, for other users, it will appear as nothing, giving you that neat invisible effect. You might be wondering why someone would want an invisible username. Maybe you enjoy the stealthy vibe it gives off, or perhaps you're trying to make your presence a bit more minimalistic on your favorite servers. Regardless of the reason, knowing how to set an invisible username can give you a bit more control over how you present yourself online. Additionally, this can be a fun way to mix things up and stand out, or rather blend in, amidst the bustling Discord community. Experiment with this technique and see how it transforms your Discord experience.